Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we dissect market movements and give you the tools to make better trading decisions. Today, February 18th, 2025, we're diving deep into the GBPUSD pair, analyzing recent news and correlating it to the chart data. Recent headlines point towards a mixed sentiment surrounding the GBPUSD, with some sources suggesting bullish potential due to positive UK economic indicators, while others express bearish concerns due to the strength of the US dollar and hawkish Fed policy. Let's start with the daily chart, providing a broad overview of GBPUSD's performance. The chart shows a relatively sideways trend in the GBPUSD in the past 2 weeks, indicating indecision among traders. We can observe some minor support levels around 1.250 and 1.255 and resistance levels around 1.260 and 1.265. The recent price action shows a slight bullish bias, with the price closing above the 1.26 level. Zooming into the 1-hour chart allows for more precise identification of short-term trends. Here we can see a series of higher highs and higher lows forming over the past few days, confirming the short-term bullish trend. This indicates that the bulls are in control of the market in the near term. Now, let's analyze the 15-minute chart to detect any signs of reversal. On the 15-minute time frame, we notice a notable fluctuation in the price over the past hour with rapid increases and decreases. The volatility suggests a high level of uncertainty and traders' indecision. This could be a precursor to a trend change, especially if supported by broader market signals. Considering the overall picture, the GBPUSD presents a fascinating case. While the daily chart shows consolidation around the 1.26 level, the 1-hour chart presents a clear bullish trend. The 15-minute chart, however, suggests increased volatility and a possibility of a short-term reversal. Therefore, a short-term bearish correction could be on the cards, potentially targeting the 1.255 support level. However, the price may quickly rebound and push past the resistance level at 1.265. In the longer term, the GBPUSD's trajectory will depend on various economic factors like the Bank of England's actions, the trajectory of the US economy, and geopolitical events. Key price levels to watch: support at 1.255, resistance at 1.265. A break below 1.255 would suggest a potential move towards 1.250, while a sustained break above 1.265 could lead to a further rise. The likelihood of reaching 1.255 is higher than 1.265 in the short term, given the recent price action. However, a combination of positive economic data from the UK and a weakening US dollar would boost the chances of a move beyond 1.265. Keep an eye on upcoming economic releases and central bank announcements. Changes in these factors could significantly alter the GBPUSD's trajectory.